Hi there, I'm Andy Skinner and welcome to this new tutorial. In the tutorial, we're going to be using my new imagination stamp and we're going to be using the Cosmic Shimmer water-based inks to do a kind of a watercolour effect, but we're going to be mixing colours and blending the inks. So without further ado, we'll pop down to the desktop. I've lined up the imagination stamp here with the cardstock. So we're just going to ink it up. We're going to use Versafine Clair. This is in Nocturne, the black. Okay, and really ink this up well. The Versafine Clair, the pad is more of a sponge pad. So you can just be quite gentle with it. You don't want to really bang it down hard. Just make sure you get this well inked. We are using the stamping platform, so we can always go a second time if need be. Okay. Let's pop the top platform on. Bring it down. Just press all over the stamp. I won't press too hard over the sentiment here. Perfect. Okay, let's just remove this and I'll bring this closer to the camera for a good look. Beautiful. Every single detail has come out lovely. So what I'll do is I will heat set this now and we'll come back and start painting. The first colour that I'm going to use, this is the water-based ink and this is Buff. And it's a great skin tone. So pop a bit out using the pipette. This ink goes a long way, so you don't want too much. I'm using a small round brush and I'm just going to dampen the brush, just take that water out. Pick up some of the ink. And then we're simply going to start filling in all the skin areas, so the face, the arms, the legs, and the hands. So I'm using a fine brush and a good quality brush as well, because these stamps have got such fine detail in them that you want to make sure that you're using a good brush. Okay, so I'll dry this and we'll come back with the next colour. So the next colour is the dark walnut. So just pop a little bit out onto my parchment paper. Again, you can see you don't need that much. Okay, so pick this up with the brush and I'm just going to lay this in to his cowboy hat. So these inks are very transparent. So all the shading that I've actually put into the stamps, that's going to show through. Okay, pick up some more and I'm going to add the same colour to her hair. Right, so I think we use this colour for the cowboy boots, but I'm going to add a little bit of that buff into it just to lighten this colour a bit. Okay, because you'll notice in the cowboy boots I've got very fine stitching going up the side of the boots. So you don't want too dark a colour because that would just completely, the stitching would disappear. So just gently with this. This is where you need the fine brush. So we're going to go over that stitching. As the ink dries, it will get slightly lighter and that stitching will then show through. Okay. Right, so we're going to grab the next colour. Let's just straighten that out a little bit. So the next colour is going to be French mustard. So pop a little bit of that onto the parchment paper. Now, in this bottle, I've got a little mix that I've made up. Let's pop a bit of that down. Now, I'm going to show you this mix. So for this, I use French mustard, mushroom, and finally a little bit of buff. Add those equally together and depend on the amount of water, how light you want it. So we pick up some of this French mustard, and I'm just going to run this on the bottom of her wings. We're not covering the whole lot, just at the base of the wing. And if you feel the colour a bit strong, just add some water. This is going to help this flow. Okay, I'll wash the brush out. Get rid of some of the water. Now I'm going to pick up that mix and run this towards the top of the wings and down into the French mustard. I'm probably going to need to add a little bit more of the French mustard. Okay, down at the base, just to deepen that up. Because this mix uses the French mustard in it, these colours will just sort of blend together. Okay, just wash the brush out, get rid of the water from it, and then just blend those colours in together. Now I'm going to use this mix, okay, for her tutu. It can give her a kind of an ivory effect, but also this colour is great for age paper effects. Okay, so I'll just fill in a tutu, and we'll do the ballet shoes as well. Right, we just finish these shoes off. Okay, so now, next colour. We're going to use cobalt blue hue. Just place a little of that onto the parchment paper. Now, this is going to be for the boys' shorts, or they're actually little dungarees. So we're going to add some mushroom to this to make this blue more of a denim blue. The cobalt blue hue on its own is quite a bright blue. So we're going to tone it down a bit with mushroom. I find mushroom's just a great colour for toning these inks down. You can also use grey. Okay, so mix these together. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a test card. I'm just going to try the colour on the test card. That's better. That's not a bad denim colour. Okay, so now we're just going to start filling in the shorts. Like I said, they are little short dungarees. Okay, so you notice that these shorts come up a lot higher. Okay, so what we'll do is just let these dry and we'll go to the next colour. Okay, so the dungarees are now dry. I'm going to pick up some of this French mustard, add just a little tiny bit of that mix. I'm just going to paint in the little boy's hair. There we go. Right, so I'm going to clean up my palette and we will come back and paint in the t-shirts. I'm going to use some hot magenta. Okay, we're going to do the girl's t-shirt in pink. So a tiny drop of that. And we're going to add a little bit of buff to this to tone down the pink a little bit. So the magenta is so strong. So I'm just going to pick up a very small amount, add this to the buff. Just test it on a bit of card. There we go, we've got a much lighter pink now. Okay, so if you want to make it, let's say, lighter for the t-shirt, all you want to do is add some water to the mix. There you go, a much lighter baby pink. Okay, so let's start filling the t-shirt in. Right, so now we're just left with the boy's t-shirt, and I'm going to make a grey blue. Okay, so we're using cold steel. That's all we need, just a tiny dot. And I'm going to mix this with some cobalt blue hue. Right, now, lots of water. A little tiny bit of the blue. More water. Okay, so I'm going to test this on the card. There we go. Very light grey blue. And we just start filling in the t-shirt. Yeah, looks like I've picked up a little bit of magenta. It might have been in the brush, just a tiny bit, as I said earlier. Magenta's so strong. But that's okay. It's going to give us a sort of a bluey purple. Okay. Done. So let me hold this up to the camera. So even if you have no painting experience with the inks, with the shading that's in the stamps and these inks, it's so straightforward to get good results. So what I'm going to do now is I will mount this and we'll come back for the end of the video. Once these are dried, what I like to do is mount them just on some of our Cosmic Shimmer black cardstock. Really sets them off. And you could put these in a frame, they look beautiful, wouldn't they? Okay, so thanks very much for joining me in this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks very much.